So what is this phase 1 process in Mapusa liquidation? Then what will be phase 2 and what will be phase 3?
See, phase 1 was the most important phase. That is, all deposits up to rupees 5 lakhs are guaranteed by the DCIGC because we have paid insurance premium over the years. So the phase 1 was we invited claims and some 28,000 to 30,000 claims came. The DCIGC examined them and they approved for 28,600 people payment of 225 lakhs. Now in the first phase we processed these 225 lakhs for 28,000 people, 28,600 people, and payment has been made through the Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda has reported that they have so far paid 207 lakhs and balance they will pay within the next week.
207 crore.
207 crores out of 225 crores. So they have paid already up to this morning and balance they are paying. We have cleared it from our side. So basically that is phase 1. And phase 1...
So remaining one are pending for?
There some 5 crores 80 lakhs is pending because, not because of any shortcoming on the bank side, but the claimants have given some inconsistent information.
Okay.
There is some spelling mistake in their name, signatures are not matching, some kind of drawbacks are there. So we are contacting them individually and asking them to make those corrections.
Okay.
And some 8-10 crores is with the Bank of Baroda, which they said they will pay within this week because they have to make some process. So it's clear.
Okay.
So phase 1, you may say, is 96-97% complete and will be complete totally within a week, but it is more or less complete.
Okay.
Our focus now is on phase 2. Phase 2 consists of 2 things. One is those some 15 crores of about 1,300 people, their claims had been rejected by DCIGC in the first round. So we are re-examining all those. Plus there are some persons who did not make claims. Now they have made claims late. So we have to process those. So these claims we will process in phase 2, send them to DCIGC and hopefully get approval for even payment of these amounts. This is one stream in phase 2. In parallel, our phase 2 is to recover all the dues from the loanees of the banks. Now, when the bank license was taken away, about 2,500 loanees were outstanding with loans principal amount of 51 crores. Over the last 1 year, some 1,000, almost 1,950 loanees have been recovered and some 12 crores plus interest has been recovered. So as of date, we have 1,500 accounts of 39 crores principal plus interest on that outstanding. Now we have taken out an OTS, a one-time settlement scheme, which we have offered to people. We hope that they will take advantage of it because we need to recover as much as we can. Of course, those that don't come forward, don't take advantage of the OTS, then we will continue with legal action against them, filing cases in court and trying to, applying for seizure of property or whatever else, the normal procedure that has to be done to recover. So these will be our second phase. Recovery of loans and reprocessing of those applications which were rejected earlier. And finally, when this is done, we will take up the phase 3 of the recovery of the liquidation process, which is sale of the non-banking assets. Non-banking assets are whatever buildings that we may own, either because they were bank properties or some properties which the bank got because they were mortgaged with the bank against loans which were not paid. So those will be then sold. They will be sold in a transparent manner by auction. And we are getting them evaluated at the moment to know their current value. And then that money will be used to pay up the balance over and above 5 lakhs. Whatever can be paid will be paid. So this is our liquidation process.
So you said there were more than 1 lakh account. So why is
Yeah.
only 30,000?
Yeah. Because you see now, we said there are 1,12,000 accounts. Now actually only 30,000 came forward and made their claims. Only 30,000 have made their claims. Now the balance, the reason is, we have been looking at it, over 86,000 accounts are those with less than 10,000 rupees in them. In fact, over 50,000 accounts have less than 1,000 rupees in them.
Okay.
Still, if they come to make the claims, we are entertaining the claims. We are entertaining the claim. But maybe some of them may be feeling the 500 rupees, 600 rupees there. They are not coming forward to make the claim. But if they make the claim, we will examine theirs also and certainly process it for payment. Every pie, whoever comes forward and comes, we will accept those. No problem.
Okay, your message to who can claim for OTS?
My message to people is two. One is those who have not come forward and made their claims now, basic claims, please come forward and make your claims. Second, those who may have made the claims but whose KYC is not done, proper know your customer, every bank has to have know your customer. Those accounts in which some kind of inconsistencies of signature or the account holder has died, so you had to give a proper succession certificate from a court, or your certain other details may be wrong, please come forward and correct those so that we can help you. The second message to those who are the loanees of the bank, outstanding loanees, 1,500 of them, we have come forward with this OTS scheme in the month of July. You have to make your application. Certain penal interest and compound interest after NPA, you will be getting the benefit of that, provided you pay back all your outstanding in one lump sum. My appeal is, come forward and settle it, because the more money that we can recover, we can divide among our depositors more money. This is my appeal to people. And finally, I would like to assure everyone that we are working day and night to do and complete the liquidation process as fast as possible and as per law. As per law. And without discrimination. Everybody will be treated equally.
Okay, how long it can take to complete phase 3?
This I cannot make any promise just now, because it will be wrong of me to make a promise. The fact is that at the moment the time is not appropriate to sell assets. If we forcibly sell our assets immediately, we may not get the proper price for them. Everybody knows COVID is going on. Real estate market is a bit down. People will not come here to buy, and unnecessarily we will sell undervalued. It's of no use. So we hope to wait for a few months and then we'll come out with those sales. But as soon as we feel that it is appropriate, and of course we are not doing this only on our own decision. We have a proper independent consultant, evaluators, consultant. We are taking their advice, and then we will come
At least 1 year it will take.
I mean, I cannot promise, but we will try. All I can say is that we will do our best to complete everything as soon as possible. That's all I can say.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.